You have 60 seconds, and that begins right now.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Parrot Revolutions. At Parrot, we hate cables. Well, basically, what are we doing here? Actually, what is the difference between actually me doing controlling the volume and changing song wirelessly, and actually a dog scratching his ear? Well, it's technology. It's Parrot. It's without cables. This is the first. This is the first wireless touch control headphone. That means that you've got a really stylish design. You have a sensitive touch panel. You actually stream your music wirelessly by Bluetooth from your smartphone. No cables. Thank you.